Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I want to show you a new feature that Discord has rolled out where you can now put servers in different folders in your Discord mobile version and the desktop version. I will be doing the mobile version after this video, so you can see all the servers that you're currently in. This includes your servers and everything like that. So to create a folder, these two servers right here are two of my servers. So if I drag this one, I just click on it, left click on it, then I drag it into this one for an example. You can see now if I let go of the mouse, it now puts it into a folder, which is pretty cool. Okay, so now your two servers, or however many you can put in there, are in that folder. I'm not too sure exact amount of servers you can put in a folder. You can just test that out, but you can have the option to right click on the folder, and then you can say folder settings, and you can give this a name. So I'll just write my servers, and then you can also select a color. So if I just select this green right here, it should update. If I click on done, you can see now the folder is green, and that's how you create a server folder on Discord. This is a new feature, so if you're not seeing it, just close out of Discord. So if I just quit out of Discord completely, then you just open it up again. It'll check for the updates. If the update is available for you, it's going to say downloading update, and then you'll be able to do that process. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.